Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, we finally got a tune schedule for today, and we're finally taking the car to the dyno so we can hopefully push past that 500 horsepower mark that we wanted. But a little backstory about this car on the dyno. It's been to Darden tuning twice now, but the car did run into two issues, one each separate time when we went there. But the first issue being I did have rubber particles in my high pressure fuel pump, which was pretty much restricting the amount of flow of the fuel that could get to the rail. So it would break up in the top end, especially when we start pushing more power, because we needed more fuel pressure. And then the second time, it was our fault because we took out the intake fuel pump, and that's where we were talking about the two gaskets that you need. We only put one back, and it caused an internal leak in the tank, so it couldn't hold pressure as much. So it made the high pressure work a lot harder. So we had that fixed now, and after data logging and looking at everything, the car seems to be running fine. So we're finally getting the car back on the dyno. But first, I do need to go to the gas station and pick up a couple gallons of E to see what content he's going to put me at. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I guess I'll take you guys on the road with me there. Okay, so before I get any questions, my wing is kind of not really on right now. I kind of have one stand on because I was sanding it. I am polishing it, so it is like chrome. But I don't know. I was just bored, so I randomly just did that. But I know you guys are going to notice it. But before you guys comment, that's what I was doing. That's why there's only one wing stand on right now. But the rest of the wings are here. But yeah, I gotta head to the gas station now. Alright, so I'm getting E right now. I'm putting it in the 5-gallon jug container. I'm also filling up my tank to me. But I'm gonna be blending it into E42, I think, is what I need. Alright, so we're all loaded up now. I just filled up the containers with gas and also filled up the carburetor with gas. Looks super weird without a wing. But also added some gas into the car as well so I can have gas on the way there. But now we're on the way to Darden's. Gonna do one final pull with this horsepower it's on right now. Should be pretty close to 500, but we don't know yet since it hasn't been on the dyno. But one last pull before we get custom tuned. So we're almost at Darden's right now, and I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think my car's gonna make horsepower wise on the dyno. But really excited right now. Honestly, I don't know how to contain myself right now. I've been waiting for this for so long just to finally finish this tune. So hopefully everything goes well and we see the numbers we want. So we just pulled up to Darden's right now. Lem pulled up because he has my other set of wheels that I got put on, or my other front wheels. But we just pulled up. We're just waiting on him now to get the car tuned. God, it looks so weird without a wing. But we're just waiting on him now to get here before we get this thing on the dyno. Think we're gonna see 500? Hopefully. No, we will. Oh, it should be easy. Yeah. Car's finally on the dyno again. Alright, so on the first pull it made 449 and 411 torque. I believe that was on the revision on E42. So that's on 28 and 29 pounds. It made 455 and 438. Still got a lot more to go though.
It's way smoother.
Hell yeah.
It's really good.
Look at that top end. Oh, made 463 now. Ooh! 463, 428. Let's go. Alright, Lam, what do you think it's gonna make?
I want to make low 500s.
Oh shit.
I wanted to make low 500s.
Holy shit, that is loud. I didn't make on that one. Ooh, 475. Nice. 475, 447 torque. Nice.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah. Oh shit. Alright, what did it make? Ah, it's 474.
Oh, wait, back then.
What did it make? Let's see. Oh, it's a CF4. I can't read that.
496?
Oh my god.
Hell yeah.
Sick.
496 and 466 torque.
Quick update, it's freezing cold right now, but car just made what, 496
496.
and 466 torque, but we are gonna break that 5 today. I don't see why not, but we are currently sitting in Lem's car because it's freezing cold.
Oh, shit.
And he's turning the heater on, so we're just gonna chill in this car for a bit because it's fucking cold as shit.
Cold as shit, dude.
But yeah, we get in there. Fuck, still in the fours. Oh shit, 492. Fuck, I forgot to record the pull, but car finally broke 5, barely. But he did it. Very cool. Didn't make on that pull. 498. I got 498. Holy shit. Finally. But those are the final numbers. Fucking sick. Gonna do some reactions really quick of this, of Lem riding in the car. Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Got the RS Pros back on. I don't think they're gonna hook though. Fuck it. Alright, we're gonna get Lem's reaction of my 500 horsepower Type R.
Okay, let's see. no traction at all. Hey,
Expected with this horsepower.
yeah. I kind of did an 80 pull on mine on fourth to have an idea. Jesus Christ! Oh my! What?
I was 146 that time. Hold on, my exhaust.
Oh, the exhaust.
It's smoking.
It's not constant though, so that's good.
Yeah, it is. Look at it. Every time I step on it. Especially.
Yeah.
It's smoking a lot.
Take the exit.
Alright, so as you guys can see from the last clip, we were having issues with the car, with it smoking. It has nothing to do with the tune at all. Darden is an amazing tuner. He really helped me get this car running. Without Darden, my car probably wouldn't be running right now because I wasn't informed that the P600 Turbo didn't have a base map, and that's why it wouldn't run. So Darden literally replied to me within like 1-2 hours of me asking for a base map if you can make me one, and he got the car running. And honestly, it's helped me so much. And then also the car was on his dyno 2 other times, and I had 2 different issues. One issue being some rubber particles getting in the fuel line, and the second being the missing O-ring on the high pressure fuel pump. But he helped me diagnose those both times by telling me what was wrong with the car, and I was able to help diagnose exactly what was wrong and fix it. But Darden's an amazing tuner. I would highly recommend him for pretty much tuning your Tangent Civic, like any Tangent Civic, or pretty much any car, because I know he tunes a bunch of other cars. But this issue, the smoking issue, has nothing to do with the tune. We checked all my gauges and everything. It's running fine. We have a couple like ideas of what it could be. So we're going to be doing testing on my car pretty soon. Well, tonight. And I'll be making a whole video on diagnosing and trying to see what the issue is. But we'll have to see what happens. But honestly, not sure if the car is running okay right now. So kind of scared. But, you know, that's kind of what happens when you modify cars. But I'm glad you guys really got to see this with me, be able to make the car make 500 horsepower. But honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys could, leave a comment, like, or subscribe. It really could help me out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you guys will see what's happening to my car in the next video. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.